1974 Cessna 340, doing an annual on it, and noticed some low compressions on one of the cylinders with some blow-by. So upon further inspection, we found a small crack below the spark plug and put some air to it, leak tested it, and sure enough, it was all the way through. So it blew some bubbles. Called the customer, informed them that it needed a new cylinder, and got it ordered. And now today we're pulling off the old cylinder and prepping the new one to put it on. It just kind of depends on how the planes ran, especially in altitude. A lot of times you'll see it from shock cooling. When it's coming down from altitude too quickly and it's still hot, cools it. Pulling the baffling off and pulling a cylinder and replacing it's all about the same on any, between a Cessna and a Baron, something like that, it's all the same. So from the time we find the issue, get approval from the customer, cylinder ordered, usually takes about 2 days to get here, and then 2 days to put it on. So about a week to get it back up and out the door running.
Alright, so right now we're taking off all the cylinder base nuts in order to remove the cylinder. Alright, so I got the nuts broke loose and taken off on the bottom that are just studs. Now I'm going to break loose the one that is the through bolt, which holds the engine case together while holding the cylinder on. They're generally higher torque because they hold the engine together. Right now we're fighting the through bolt, which can be a pain because it'll break loose. If it doesn't just break loose on this one side, then it'll break loose on both, and then the whole thing's spinning on the inside.
Want me to tighten this side up?
Yeah, hold it tight. Or is that loosening your side?
That's loosening my side. Yeah.
Okay, then.
You can hold yours, I'll tighten this side up.
All right. How many threads do you have out over there? Two. That's about what I got. Yeah, that kind of stuff, stuff like that don't happen until you get a camera put on you. Both through bolts spun on me when I tried to break them loose. Yeah. Appreciate it. All right, just about to the fun part. Just gotta get this last nut broke loose and off. And then pull the cylinder. All right, here we go. Make sure everything's out the way. Next, we're going to take the boss pin out of the piston head so we can take it off, look at all of it. Sometimes it takes a little more than hands. You gotta break out the hammers. You gotta make sure it's a brass hammer though, you don't bar anything up. Now you want to clean everything off real good, inspect everything, make sure we don't need anything else that's got to be replaced. Got to clean off the cylinder base mating area where the base of the cylinder goes up against the crankcase. Make sure that it's got straight metal on metal, and then you got to clean the O-ring surface, which seals the cylinder to the crankcase. Just got to make sure everything's clean. while we're in here, we like to look at the lifters and make sure that they all look good. They both look good, however many we're doing. Got a little bit of wear on the lifter. Ooh, that is not good. That is not what we like to see. Not good at all. It's pretty bad, ain't it? It's got chunks off the sides. I've never seen it with it tore off the side like that.